In these challenging times, people are aching for ways to unite in true community, to connect with one another across differences. Kutandara's Moon and Stars Foundation is a nonprofit that connects people from different countries, races, and cultures through music. I think in some small way, the work that we do together is healing the world.
Some of our teachers have started to coin the term zebra tribe, and that's what I call us, the zebra tribe. A group of people who self-select to bring the world together, building bridges through relationship, feeling the connection of friendship and spirit in music and love.
Immediately, when you walk in the lobby, you notice it's bright, it's warm, it's welcoming, and it's a really fun place to relax and be together. I love that the paintings on the walls pay homage to our teachers, and that the mbiras that are in the room, they're made by hand by Zim artists. We have a loving relationship with our teachers and our friends from Zimbabwe, and it's evident all around us here.
My mom put me in the car, drove me here, put me in a beginner's class with a bunch of people older than me by a large age gap, and I was griping the whole way. They're like, no, I don't want to do it, no, you can't make me do it. Went in, came out after the class was done, I'm like, and I am signed up. When do I keep doing this? When's the next meeting? How involved can I be?
I mean, I've definitely heard so many stories of teen and adult students who come to class tired, who come to class grumpy, who come to class, I've had a bad day, who come to class, I'm overwhelmed, I don't think I can be here. And 90 minutes of playing marimba and their mood has taken a 180. And I've experienced that myself too. Like, I can't play this music and experience anything but joy.
My visit at Boulder was something that made me realize what music is capable of doing around the world. Like, people are connected with so much love and joy through music, and you cannot do anything else that connects people together as much as music does. It boosted my ability towards being a better musician, because I was working with people who were on their toes, like they were ready to do anything new, and that actually inspired me.
I don't know who I'd be without marimba and without Kutandara and Amy and Randy and everyone here.
I've been working with the Kutandara since 2011, I would say. So we are actually making a better world through different activities we are undertaking, that is on education, on the kids and the communities, and also sort of giving identity to our kids, building values and norms through culture and music and art. That is very, very good.
I think for the first time, because of the partnership between Kutandara, the Magaya family, and Humwe, for the first time our kids from Humwe managed to travel to Harare, and they managed to perform before an audience. And I think that was actually for the first time. So thanks to Kutandara for that. It was an unbelievable opportunity for the young ones. They'll cherish that for years to come.
Kutandara, they helped us a lot as the Tsoro Arts. They helping by paying school fees or buying stationery for them, uniforms. They are helping a lot.
name is Bled Chimanga, and I'm the producer and director of Celebrate Africa, and all African music competition that we run in Zimbabwe, and a mentoring program to mentor upcoming artists in Zimbabwe. And Kutandara has played a pivotal role in giving life to this project and giving hope to these artists by funding them and giving them mentorship and giving them opportunities, global opportunities, to become the stars that they really are supposed to be. And for this, we are grateful.
I've traveled a bit, but I don't really have like an understanding, at least as much of an understanding as I did from this trip, of, you know, what everyday life looks like for some people who are not as privileged as we are. And so it gave me a lot of empathy to, you know, be like, look, you know, they don't have trash service, they don't have running water, they don't have reliable electricity. And to understand, you know, living, you know, like, look, this is how life is, and to understand that from less an intellectual perspective and more of a living perspective really was powerful for me as a person.
Seeing these children in a village in Zimbabwe playing a song that I learned when I was 8 here, and I'm like, this is it's so bizarre, but it's like really cool. And that was just really neat, because it's like, wow, I can't speak to them, but I can play that with them. And that was just like, that was a really special moment.
Making music is about being with people, and when you're making music with people and you're feeling joy and you're feeling connectedness, it's just natural to want to share that. So our performance is about taking the joy and connectedness that we feel playing together and sharing it with the world.
Great people, great energy, everyone is welcome. I want to say thank you to Randy and Emu for all the work you do to orchestrate success in students. Thank you for putting your whole heart and soul into everything you do. Kutandara Center is a gem. Kutandara Center is a blessing for this community.
Please help the Kutandara Center continue its wonderful work in the border community by contributing to the Moon and Stars Fund. Tatenda Zvikuru, thank you very much.